Temenos Online Training. Introduction to Temenos. Temenos AG is a Swiss-based software company specializing in providing banking software systems to financial institutions worldwide. Established in 1993, the company has grown to become a leading provider of banking software, serving over 3,000 financial institutions in more than 150 countries. Temenos' suite of products includes solutions for core banking, digital banking, fund administration, payment systems, and wealth management. Key features and offerings. Core banking solutions. Temenos Transact. This is the company's flagship core banking product, offering comprehensive functionality to support retail, corporate, and private banking. It helps banks manage deposits, loans, customer accounts, and transactions efficiently. Digital banking. Temenos Infinity. This digital front office product suite enhances customer experiences across all digital channels. It includes modules for onboarding, account management, customer engagement, and financial crime mitigation. Wealth management. Temenos Wealth. This product provides tools for investment management, portfolio management, and client advisory, enabling wealth managers to deliver personalized services to their clients. Payments. Temenos Payments. This solution supports end-to-end payment processing, including domestic and international payments, with real-time capabilities and compliance with global standards. Fund administration. Temenos Multifonds. This product offers comprehensive fund accounting and transfer agency services, helping asset managers and administrators streamline operations and meet regulatory requirements. Innovation and technology. Temenos is known for its innovative approach, leveraging advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and cloud computing to enhance its software solutions. The company has been at the forefront of promoting open banking, encouraging financial institutions to adopt open APIs and collaborate with fintech partners. Benefits of using Temenos. Scalability and flexibility. Temenos solutions are designed to scale with the growth of financial institutions, offering flexible deployment options including on-premises, cloud, and hybrid models. Compliance and security. Temenos products are built to comply with global regulatory standards and include robust security features to protect sensitive financial data. Improved efficiency. By automating complex processes and providing real-time insights, Temenos helps banks and financial institutions improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. Enhanced customer experience. The focus on digital transformation allows banks to offer superior customer experiences through personalized services and seamless digital interactions. Market presence and recognition. Temenos has established a strong market presence with a significant share in the global core banking software market. The company is consistently recognized by industry analysts and research firms for its innovation and leadership in banking technology. Temenos' client base includes some of the world's largest banks, as well as many regional and local financial institutions. What is Temenos and its core offerings? Temenos is a prominent global software company that specializes in providing enterprise software for banks and financial institutions. Founded in 1993 and headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, Temenos offers a range of products and solutions designed to help banks and other financial entities manage their core banking, payments, wealth management, and other financial services. The company's software is used by a significant number of banks worldwide to enhance their operations, improve customer experience, and drive innovation. Core offerings of Temenos. Temenos Transact, Core Banking. Description: the flagship core banking solution from Temenos, designed to handle a wide range of banking operations. It supports retail, corporate, universal, private, and microfinance banking. Key features: real-time processing, customer onboarding, deposits, lending, payments, and analytics. Temenos Infinity, Digital Front Office. Description: a digital banking platform that focuses on enhancing customer experience across various channels such as mobile, internet, and branch banking. Key features: personalized customer journeys, digital onboarding, omni-channel banking, and integration with third-party services. Temenos Payments. Description: a comprehensive payments hub that facilitates the processing of domestic and international payments. Key features: real-time payments, fraud detection, compliance with regulatory requirements, and support for various payment schemes. Temenos Wealth. Description: a solution tailored for wealth management firms and private banks. Key features: portfolio management, client onboarding, investment management, and advisory services. How does Temenos banking software transform financial institutions? Temenos banking software significantly transforms financial institutions by offering a comprehensive suite of solutions designed to enhance operational efficiency, customer experience, and regulatory compliance. Here are some key ways in which Temenos software achieves this transformation. 1. Core banking modernization. Temenos core banking platform, T24 Transact, enables financial institutions to streamline their operations by integrating various banking processes into a single, centralized system. This modernization helps reduce costs, improve speed, and enhance the overall efficiency of banking operations. 2. Customer experience enhancement. Temenos front office solutions, such as Temenos Infinity, focus on improving the customer experience by providing personalized and omni-channel banking services. These solutions leverage advanced analytics and AI to offer tailored products and services, thereby increasing customer satisfaction and loyalty. 3. Advanced analytics and AI integration. The software incorporates advanced analytics and artificial intelligence to provide deep insights into customer behavior, risk management, and market trends. This helps banks make informed decisions, predict future trends, and offer proactive services to customers. 4. Regulatory compliance and risk management. Temenos provides robust tools for managing compliance and risk, ensuring that financial institutions can meet the ever-evolving regulatory requirements. The software automates many compliance processes, reducing the risk of human error and ensuring timely adherence to regulations. 5. Open banking and API integration. Temenos supports open banking by providing a flexible API framework that allows banks to easily integrate with third-party services and fintech solutions. This enhances the bank's ability to offer innovative services and stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. What are the key features of Temenos Transact? Scalability and flexibility. Cloud native and cloud agnostic, designed to be deployed on any cloud environment, allowing banks to scale according to their needs. Microservices architecture enables modular deployment, allowing banks to implement only the services they need and scale them independently. Customer-centric design. Real-time capabilities provides real-time processing and analytics, enhancing customer experiences with instantaneous transaction updates. Personalization offers tools for banks to deliver personalized banking experiences tailored to individual customer needs. Advanced technology integration. APIs and open banking. Extensive use of APIs facilitates integration with third-party applications and services, supporting open banking initiatives. AI and machine learning incorporates AI-driven analytics and machine learning for improved decision-making and operational efficiency. Comprehensive functionality. Full banking coverage supports a wide range of banking operations including retail, corporate, wealth management, and Islamic banking. End-to-end processing manages the entire life cycle of banking products from origination to servicing and closure. How does Temenos Infinity enhance digital banking? 1. Customer experience. Personalization. Temenos Infinity provides tools for personalized customer experiences, leveraging data analytics and AI to tailor products and services to individual needs. Omnichannel integration. The platform supports seamless interactions across various channels, mobile, web, branch, call center, ensuring consistent and connected customer journeys. 2. Advanced analytics and AI. Data-driven insights. The platform uses advanced analytics to provide insights into customer behavior, helping banks understand and predict customer needs. AI and machine learning. These technologies are used to automate processes, detect fraud, and enhance customer service through chatbots and virtual assistants. 3. Open banking and APIs. API-first approach. Temenos Infinity is designed with an open API architecture, facilitating easy integration with third-party applications and services, promoting innovation, and enabling banks to offer new, value-added services. Compliance with open banking standards. It helps banks comply with open banking regulations and standards, making it easier to share data securely with third-party providers. 4. Agility and scalability. Cloud-native architecture. The platform is cloud-native, allowing banks to scale their operations easily and efficiently. It supports deployment on various cloud environments, offering flexibility and reducing infrastructure costs. Rapid time to market. Temenos Infinity enables rapid development and deployment of new digital banking products and services, helping banks stay competitive and responsive to market changes. What is the Temenos T24 core banking system? Modular architecture. T24 is built with a modular architecture, allowing banks to implement the specific modules they need and scale up as their requirements grow. This modularity supports various banking activities, including deposits, loans, payments, and treasury operations. Flexibility and customizability. T24 is known for its flexibility, enabling banks to customize the system to meet their specific business needs and regulatory requirements. It supports a broad range of banking products and services. Real-time processing. The system provides real-time processing capabilities, which is essential for modern banking operations that require immediate updates and access to information. Multi-channel support. T24 supports multiple channels, including internet banking, mobile banking, ATMs, and branch operations, allowing banks to offer a seamless customer experience across different platforms. Scalability. T24 can handle the needs of small community banks as well as large multinational financial institutions. It is designed to scale efficiently as the volume of transactions and number of customers grow. Regulatory compliance. The system helps banks comply with various regulatory requirements across different jurisdictions. It includes features for reporting, risk management, and compliance monitoring. Integration capabilities. T24 can integrate with other systems and technologies, including third-party applications, to enhance its functionalities and provide a comprehensive banking solution. How does Temenos support open banking and APIs? 1. API-first architecture. Temenos embraces an API-first approach, which means that all functionalities within its core banking system are exposed as APIs. This architecture facilitates seamless integration with third-party services, allowing banks to easily adopt new technologies and comply with open banking regulations. 2. Temenos API Portal. The Temenos API Portal provides a centralized platform where developers can discover, access, and manage APIs. It includes comprehensive documentation, sandbox environments for testing, and support for RESTful APIs, making it easier for banks to develop and deploy new services. 3. Open Banking Framework. Temenos has developed a robust open banking framework that helps financial institutions meet regulatory requirements such as PSD2, Payment Services Directive 2, in Europe. This framework includes pre-built APIs for account information services, AIS, and payment initiation services, PIS, ensuring compliance while enabling new business models. 4. Marketplace and ecosystem. Temenos Marketplace is an ecosystem where banks can connect with fintech partners and integrate third-party applications. Through open APIs, banks can extend their offerings by leveraging innovative solutions from the marketplace, enhancing customer experiences and operational efficiency. 5. Microservices architecture. Temenos microservices architecture supports modular and scalable deployment of banking functions. Each service is independently deployable and communicates with others through APIs, enabling banks to quickly adapt to market changes and integrate new functionalities without disrupting existing operations. What innovations has Temenos introduced in cloud banking? Temenos, a leading banking software company, has been at the forefront of innovations in cloud banking. Here are some of the key innovations introduced by Temenos in this field. Temenos SaaS, Software as a Service, offering. Temenos provides a comprehensive SaaS offering, allowing banks to access their core banking solutions on the cloud. This model provides flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency, enabling banks to quickly deploy new services and scale operations according to demand. Temenos Infinity. This is a digital front office product designed to enhance customer experience and engagement. Temenos Infinity integrates with the core banking system and leverages cloud technology to offer personalized banking experiences, advanced analytics, and seamless digital interactions. Temenos T24 Transact. T24 Transact is a core banking system that is optimized for the cloud. It offers advanced capabilities such as real-time processing, robust security, and scalability. The cloud-native and cloud-agnostic nature of T24 Transact allows banks to deploy it on any cloud infrastructure, providing flexibility and reducing infrastructure costs. AI and machine learning integration. Temenos has integrated AI and machine learning into its cloud banking solutions to enhance decision-making, automate processes, and improve risk management. These technologies help banks analyze large volumes of data in real time, providing insights for personalized customer experiences and operational efficiency. Temenos Banking Cloud. This is a comprehensive platform that combines Temenos' various banking services into a single cloud-based ecosystem. It offers a broad range of functionalities, including core banking, payments, wealth management, and more, all accessible through the cloud. The platform supports rapid innovation and integration with third-party services. What are the security measures implemented by Temenos? Data encryption. In transit, uses secure protocols such as TLS, transport layer security, to encrypt data being transmitted between systems. At rest, employs strong encryption standards to protect data stored in databases and other storage solutions. Authentication and access control. Multi-factor authentication, MFA requires multiple forms of verification before granting access to systems. Role-based access control, RBAC limits access to information based on the user's role within the organization. Single sign-on, SSO provides a unified login experience while maintaining security. Security frameworks and standards compliance. ISO IEC 27001 adheres to this international standard for information security management. PCI DSS compliance ensures that payment processing is secure and meets the payment card industry data security standard. GDPR compliance complies with the General Data Protection Regulation for handling personal data within the European Union. Regular security audits and penetration testing. Conducts frequent security audits and vulnerability assessments to identify and mitigate potential risks. Employs third-party firms to perform penetration testing to ensure system resilience against attacks. Secure Software Development Life Cycle (SDLC). Integrates security practices throughout the development process. Conducts code reviews and static analysis to identify security flaws early in the development cycle. Why choose Temenos? Comprehensive banking solutions. Temenos offers a wide range of banking software solutions that cover various aspects of banking operations, including core banking, digital banking, wealth management, and more. This comprehensive suite can provide a one-stop solution for all your banking technology needs. Scalability and flexibility. Temenos solutions are designed to be highly scalable and flexible, capable of adapting to the evolving needs of your business as it grows and changes. Whether you're a small community bank or a global financial institution, Temenos can scale to meet your requirements. Innovation and technology. Temenos invests heavily in research and development, constantly innovating to stay ahead of the curve in terms of technology trends and industry best practices. Choosing Temenos can give your organization access to cutting-edge banking technology that can help you differentiate yourself in the market. Regulatory compliance. Temenos solutions are designed with a deep understanding of regulatory requirements in the banking industry. By choosing Temenos, you can benefit from built-in compliance features and ongoing updates to ensure that your organization remains compliant with relevant regulations. Customer experience. Temenos places a strong emphasis on customer experience, offering solutions that are user-friendly and intuitive for both customers and employees. By providing a seamless and engaging banking experience, you can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Integration capabilities. Temenos solutions are designed to integrate with a wide range of third-party systems and applications, allowing you to create a holistic banking ecosystem that meets your specific requirements. Whether you need to integrate with payment gateways, CRM systems, or external data sources, Temenos can facilitate seamless integration. Ultimately, the decision to choose Temenos should be based on a careful assessment of your organization's needs, priorities, and strategic objectives. Advantages of Temenos online training. Data encryption. In transit, uses secure protocols such as TLS, transport layer security, to encrypt data being transmitted between systems. At rest, employs strong encryption standards to protect data stored in databases and other storage solutions. Authentication and access control. Multi-factor authentication. MFA requires multiple forms of verification before granting access to systems. Role-based access control. RBAC limits access to information based on the user's role within the organization. Single sign-on. SSO provides a unified login experience while maintaining security. Security frameworks and standards compliance. ISO IEC 27001 adheres to this international standard for information security management. PCI DSS compliance ensures that payment processing is secure and meets the payment card industry data security standard. GDPR compliance complies with the General Data Protection Regulation for handling personal data within the European Union. Regular security audits and penetration testing. Conducts frequent security audits and vulnerability assessments to identify and mitigate potential risks. Employs third-party firms to perform penetration testing to ensure system resilience against attacks. Secure Software Development Life Cycle (SDLC) integrates security practices throughout the development process. Conducts code reviews and static analysis to identify security flaws early in the development cycle. Career opportunities in Temenos. Temenos is a software company specializing in banking and financial services, providing core banking systems and software solutions. As such, career opportunities within Temenos would likely revolve around software development, engineering, project management, sales, consulting, and customer support, among other areas. Here are some potential career opportunities within Temenos. Software development. This includes roles such as software engineer, software developer, or programmer, responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining Temenos banking software solutions. Project management. Project managers oversee the implementation of Temenos software solutions for clients, ensuring that projects are delivered on time, within budget, and according to client requirements. Consulting. Consultants work closely with clients to understand their business needs and recommend appropriate Temenos software solutions. They may also provide implementation support, training, and ongoing assistance to clients. Sales and business development. Sales professionals are responsible for identifying and acquiring new clients for Temenos software products and services. They may also be involved in building and maintaining relationships with existing clients. Customer support and services. Customer support representatives provide technical assistance and troubleshooting support to clients using Temenos software solutions. They may also be responsible for training clients on how to use the software effectively. Quality assurance and testing. QA engineers ensure the quality and reliability of Temenos software products through rigorous testing and quality assurance processes. Product management. Product managers are responsible for defining the features and roadmap of Temenos software products based on market research, client feedback, and industry trends. Data analysis and business intelligence. Data analysts and BI professionals analyze data from Temenos software solutions to provide insights and recommendations to clients for improving business performance. Why choose ProExcellency for Temenos online training? Expertise. ProExcellency likely has experienced trainers who are well-versed in Temenos software. They can provide in-depth knowledge and practical insights into using Temenos effectively. Customized training. They may offer tailored training programs to suit the specific needs of your organization or individual requirements. This ensures that you learn exactly what you need to know without unnecessary information. Convenience. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for busy professionals or those with scheduling constraints. Cost-effective. Online training often eliminates the need for travel expenses and accommodation, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to traditional classroom training. Support. ProExcellency may provide ongoing support even after the training is completed, offering assistance and guidance as you implement Temenos within your organization. Quality materials. They likely offer high-quality training materials such as videos, tutorials, and exercises to enhance your learning experience and reinforce key concepts. Certification. Some training programs may offer certification upon completion, which can enhance your credibility and marketability in the field of Temenos software. Thank you.